Welcome to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today Tricky is preparing Palak Pakora. Preparation. Wash the spinach leaves. Then chop and set aside. Method. Add the chopped spinach, green coriander, onion, green chilies, ginger paste, Kashmiri chili powder, coriander seed powder, Ajwain, also known as Carom seeds, Chilli Flakes and Cumin seed powder to a mixing bowl. Give it a good mix. Now add in the gram flour, also known as chickpea flour or besan, and the rice flour, and mix well. Add water a little at a time and mix well to combine and form a thick mixture. Finally, add the salt. This brings us to the end of this stage. We're now moving on to the frying stage. Heat oil in a deep frying pan, and when the oil is very hot, drop in small portions of the mixture into the hot oil. Fry on medium heat until the pakodas are crisp and light brown. Then remove and drain on a kitchen towel. Repeat the process of frying small portions of the mixture in the hot oil on medium heat. And again, remove and drain on a kitchen towel when the pakodas are crisp and light brown. Finally, serve with side dips or chutneys or any other accompaniment of your choice. The ingredients. Note, all the ingredients measured using measuring cups and spoons are leveled and not heaped. So there you have it. Lovely, delicious Palak Pakora. Thank you for stopping by. Hope you will give this recipe a try. Have lots of fun in the process as you toy, and most of all, don't forget to enjoy. If you liked this simple and easy recipe, be sure to like, share, comment and subscribe to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy.